Hello YouTubers! Today I will take apart this Fiat car climate control panel which I got in a flea market. So on the front side you have a row of buttons with fog light buttons, the hood opening, the warning light and the central locking system. Then you have three small ovaloid or circular shape liquid crystal displays and three buttons for the climate functions with a rotating wheel and a multifunction key. Each key is backlight and has a light indicator also. Here you have some kind of temperature sensor for the cabin temperature. If I turn it over, you have the rear part. Here you can see the model, the manufacturer sticker. You have the upper plug for the row of buttons. You have another main plug for the climate control, and you have the temperature sensor, which is some plug-in module. So I will start with the temperature sensor. Just unclip it with the proper tool. Here it is. So it seems we have a temperature sensor and a small fan behind it. So you must have a motor inside. If I try to pop it open, not easy. It is all circuit clips. Just push everything inside and it should come. Here we are. Small rubber ring. Yes. So we have the motor with a small fan wheel, and this motor is quite weird kind. You have two coils and you have a magnet around here and some electronic control circuitry. Let me zoom in. And here is the temperature sensor. Then I will remove the upper button part. It is a torque screw. There we are. It seems to be a module that you can fit into several kinds of car dash. So it is closed with clips. One more time. Just pop it open. So we have some kind of small light diffusing parts. For the buttons. One more. It is a piece of translucent plastic. So it should be the same thing here. Oops. This one, so. We'll do the other one later. So here we have a piece of circuit board with a connector and a rubber keypad, exactly as a TV remote. You have the machine contacts and rows of LEDs. So I guess one is for backlight and one is for the light function signal. It is in fact a very simple design, double-sided board, nothing special. Now we will go into the main part. So always the same thing, clips all around. The difficult thing is to work them all at the time. Here we are. Rest of piece of plastic wrap. So here we have the main logical circuit with some kind of microcontroller. Maybe I guess some power circuitry. You have here some cable. You have here the rear part of the LCD. We will go into this later. And you have here the rear part of the buttons, where you can see the LEDs, backlight LEDs. Okay, so I have just to unscrew all this. No. It should be correct. Let me cut this cable. Much better. So here we are is the LCD display. You can see that in fact it is one single piece of LCD. It goes behind the three little windows. You have here some diffuser shield, then the LCD piece itself, and the backlight system with small LEDs reflecting into white plastic. Very simple and cost-effective design. LCD screw, so plastic backlight thing. Then the LCD with FEM to PCB connection, which you cannot repair yourself, and the small LCD panel. We will go into the ICs here, if I can remove the sticker. So we have a neck circuit from Ireland. It seems the number has been erased. The whole thing is from early 2000. Yeah. You have here Phillips clips TGA 1010T or N1C8S601. Some logic circuitry here and some power regulators, I think, here. This one is 42712J. Here you have a small header connection, maybe it is for the programming purpose of the main chip. Nothing on the back side. Now the last part. It will be interesting to see how the keys are built with the rotating bezels. This one was very tight. Okay, so it says it is almost the same thing. We have small rubber pads. We have function LEDs and backlight LEDs, and for each of the rotating wheels we have a small optical coder thing as into an optical mouse. So it is an infrared diode and infrared transistor. Here you can see the small LED symbol or diode symbol in it. So it is a pretty good design, must be very strong system. So the wheel around here is slotted, some kind of castle design. I wonder if I can take it apart easily. So just unclip and push as always. Bon. Some spring loaded thing. It is for the step feeding in the wheel. We try to take one of them apart. Interesting. Yeah, well. So you see the small keys in it, which match with the encoder wheel, with the infrared sensor, I mean. So it is the same thing for each one anyway. Okay, so I think it is all for this autopsy. Next time I should show some of my Russian electronic component specimens. Bye bye.